Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Odoo accounting software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete a payment in your Odoo accounting software? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a payment in your Odoo accounting software anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you accidentally logged the same payment twice. So you want to go ahead and delete one of them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Odoo accounting dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Odoo accounting software, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete one of the payments you logged, you want to click on customers here on the top. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on payments. Okay, so here you're going to see all the payments that you've logged. You can see I have these two right here, and they are the exact amount. So I accidentally logged the second payment. So all you're going to do is just check the box next to the payment you would like to delete right here. And then up here on the top, you're going to see this little gear icon. It's a button called Actions. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click right here on Delete. All right, once you do that, they're going to give you a warning. It says, bye-bye record, ready to make your record disappear into thin air. Are you sure? It's going to be gone forever, so it's going to be permanent. If you're okay with that, click on Delete. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that payment has been removed from my invoice. So if they have a balance due for that amount, it's still going to show up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a payment in one of your Odoo invoicing accounts, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.